All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you how to take the tail light on the 2025 BMW X330. And in case you're trying to, replace it, or if it's broken, or if you just want to take it out for some other reason. And so first you want to remove the interior trim. Depends what side you're taking it off. So on these BMW, they don't give you a whole access to the tail light. So you basically got to remove the quarter trims out, just the lower. So basically this back trim, as you can see over there, and also the side trim. You gotta take those off and get to the tail light, because the tail light got a 12mm nut on the inside, which you can't get to it with the trim panel on there. So I use whatever kind of socket you got, or if you want to do it by hand, I use my little gun. Just pop it out. So the 212 nut. Be careful so you don't drop it in the hole. Get them out. It's not a bad. It's just BMW make it harder nowadays. Especially if you just want to replace your light. You got to get it into a quarter panel. Get all the trim out. Sometimes it could be a headache. So now you go on the outside. I'll show you. So you see I got all the trims out to get to the light. So on the back, so you remove this little black cover with the trim, a plastic tool. Just pry slowly on it up top. It comes out easy. You shouldn't break that. So there's no way. If you break that, that means you did it wrong. And then right there, I use my wrench tool, a 10mm nut right there. That holds the light. So it only has three nuts. So two 12mm on the inside, and then one 10mm on the outside. So remove that. I had to switch wave with my wrench because the gear is fucked up. So I need to get a new one. That's why I was doing it like that. It took me a little while to get that off. And by the way, you don't have to take the bumper off to replace the light on these cars. So remove the trim panel on the inside, so you can get to two 12mm nut, and then that cover on the back of the tail light, and then the light comes right out, slide it out, and then you only got one plug to the light. So before you take the plug out, don't just push shut tab and push it out. So make sure there's a little red safety thing on there. Slide that red safety thing out, then push the clip in and slide the light out.